Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ashwaq Omar, and I'm with Oregon Health Authority. I'm the statewide Communities of Color Vaccine and Testing Coordinator. We're here today with the Somali American Council of Oregon, also known as SACOO. We are in Beaverton, Oregon today and providing vaccine to the Somali community. SACOO has done a great job in doing outreach work, and they see the need here that the community here, they're not aware of the bivalent boosters as well as all the other available COVID-19 vaccines. We're very happy to be here, and so far we've seen great turnout, and it's a successful event. Thank you to SACOO and to the entire Somali community for being a part of this. Thank you.
My name is Germain, Elam. I'm here with Joga Health. We work alongside Oregon Health Authority. We're giving out COVID vaccinations alongside the Somali American Council. We're doing the new booster bivalents. We have all type of COVID vaccinations if needed. You guys can just reach out to us.
Thank you for listening. Please make sure to share, like, and subscribe to Runta News channel on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter.